Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are here at this beautiful beach in North Goa called Little Vagator. This is right next to the main Vagator beach, but this is not as well known. This is like a very popular beach for international tourists, mostly Russian tourists. We're going to check out a lot of the shacks on this beach. We're going to check out the beautiful face of Shiva, which is over here on the beach, which is carved into this rock. We're going to check out all of these beautiful things on this amazing beach. So let's go and check out. Okay guys, so before I show you the beach, I'm just showing you where we are right now. We are right now in the parking lot in this area here, which is the parking lot of the Little Vagator beach. So there's ample of parking here. There's big nightclubs there like Wraith, there is Taboo, there is Casa Playa, many places like that. But we are going to take this little road which is going down towards the beach. We are here at around 12:30 or 12:40. I don't expect them to be a lot of people at the beach right now, but it's a beautiful day and the weather in Goa is just amazing right now. So if you see, they're building a lot of these hotels here and the path is not that great. So if you have like knee problems or walking problems, I wouldn't recommend going down to this beach. You can go down to the main Vagator beach. So just to show you, but the view here is absolutely incredible. So Vagator, like there's the main Vagator beach and this one is like the upmarket version of Vagator beach, the Little Vagator. Now the thing about the name called Vagator was in Konkani, which is the local language here. Vagator means, basically I'm just watching my step and talking at the same time. Vagator is basically, Vag means tiger and Tor means shore. So basically Vagator means tiger shore. So yeah guys, we're going to go down to the beach and I'm going to show you. So tiger shore, just a few years ago, before the whole tourism and all the hippies and everything, there used to be a lot of tigers on Vagator beach before. So that is why it is called tiger shore. So anyway, so that is a little story of why the name Vagator is Vagator. So we've almost reached. It's not a long walk. It's about, I think, 2 minutes now. So we are walking down because we are with the camera as well. So of course, walking up the stairs is going to be quite difficult, but because they're quite steep. But yeah, we have entered the back entrance here, which we are going to go to this main shack over here. So this is one of the popular shacks here. Wow, we can see the beach there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's so beautiful. So this is one of my favorite beaches when I used to come here when I was a child. This area before entering to the beach is very, very cool because of basically the trees and plants all around. So if you see here, this is like a nice garden area kind of. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my little story about the beach. This used to be like a very popular nude beach in the past, in history. I mean, when I was young, there used to be a lot of people who used to be nude, but it's not like that anymore. It's a very nice beach, but this is definitely one of the most bikini friendly beaches that you have here. So this is the first shack that we have here. This is a very beautiful shack, very relaxed vibes. So let me just show you. So in the evenings, afternoon, they just have opened it up now, I guess. So wow, that's a parrot. How cool is that? Hi, what's up? So yeah, this is the beach here. As you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful white sand beach. Over there is basically where you can play volleyball. In the evenings, it's popular for people to come here and play volleyball. These are like the beach shacks, huts here, which is really nice. And look at this, how beautiful is this? So what we are going to do is we are going to go up to that side. I'm going to show you a few places there, as well as I'm going to show you a few places on the other side, that side. So just to give you guys an idea, so this is like the beach hut here. Of course, I'll put the address in the below, so you Google Maps, so you can see. Most of the people here are international tourists. So this place is very popular for international tourists, especially in the evenings. If you come here in the evening, this is always full of international tourists. That in the distance there is the main Vagator beach. this beach, I'll just show you. Let's walk around here first a little bit and show you a few of the other shacks that are here. So we are going against the light, so it's not going to be that bright, but yeah, so we have a few shacks here that are really nice. And as I mentioned, because we are here early and there's some events that are going on actually right up the slope, which is called the Rider Mania, which is this bike week here. So that is why there is very less people here, because most of the people are gone to the event on top. So here we have a few international tourists that are here enjoying themselves at the beach. And yeah, so this over here is this popular place called Romeo Lane. Romeo Lane is like this really happening place. This is the first time I'm actually showing you guys this beach on my videos. So yeah, this is very popular for Russian tourists. So many of the menus will be in Russian. So I'll just show you here. So if you're coming to Romeo Lane, you can come up from directly from on top. You don't have to go from this side, but it's a very nice place. We'll go up close and check it out. So yeah, so if you see that area there is very beautiful to click Instagram photos in that area there. And yeah, there also, because of the plants, they look very nice there. So this is Romeo Lane here, and we'll just go up here and show you. So now this is the famous Shiva, basically I think it's Shiva, but guys, don't get upset with me, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is the rock here with the carving of the Hindu god's face. So if you ever want to, you know, come here and click some photos or anything, then you can come here. As you can see, there's a lot of people that are coming here to the place, which is very cool. And it's so cool, there's actually little fish in this small ponds here. So yeah, that side is like all rocky edges. And if I just wanted to show you guys the Romeo Lane from up and close, this is what it looks like. There is all the beautiful rocks there, and this is the whole beach that is here. So if you want to click some cool photos, of course you can click some beautiful photos here. So I'm just going to zoom out. Yeah, so we are going to go to the hi. So as you can see here, beautiful, enjoying themselves. Yeah, so that is the Shiva face there. And yeah, we'll go back to the main beach here and enjoy ourselves. So these shacks are like, the boards and everything is in Russian, and as you can see, I think they're probably Russians as well. So yeah, there's people here from everywhere, and the water here is the most calm. So if you ever want to swim and, you know, have a relaxed time, then this place is so nice. So let's just walk into the water here. Wow, the water is so cold, guys. So this is like really magical, very beautiful. So yeah, we're going to have a good time at the beach. I'm going to have a couple of beers here, but I'm just walking into the water. It's not very clean, but if you see, I mean, it's very calm. So if you want to swim, you'll really enjoy yourself here. So as you can see, she's walking into the water there, and it's super calm, very relaxed. And I think this is one of my favorite beaches because it's just very less people, and yeah, the vibe is so chilled out here. So if you see there, these are, I think they're all Russians. So if you come a little later, this will be like even more full of people, and there's still more people coming into the beach right now. And that side of the beach is, you know, where you can click some beautiful photos and images of these rocks and everything. So I'll show you guys from there. We'll go there and let me show you from there. Okay guys, just before we go to that side, I just wanted to show you guys this area of the rocks here. So this is again next to the Romeo Lane. So just to show you, this is a lot like Palolem area. So on some days the water is pretty blue here, depends on the sky, but it's actually very nice. And like, you know, if you want a private time and, you know, you're a couple and you just want to sit in the water here, this is like a little swimming pool. If you see here, how beautiful is that? So this really looks like a little swimming pool. And yeah, so we'll just go up ahead here and let me just show you a few of the other places that are here. So Goa, of course, is just love. And if you see here, this reminds me of a beach actually in Thailand that I used to love and go to, which is called Yanui Beach in Pattaya, I think. And here you can get quite a few shells and things like that over here. And this is really nice to click photos on against these rocks here, especially in the evenings. Guys, please keep in mind, if you drink on this beach and you bring alcohol here and try to drink on the beach, you will get a fine of up to 10,000 rupees by the police. Wow, this is a really nice bird there. So cool. So I'm just exploring and show you guys the rocks and everything that's here. So look at that bird there. So beautiful. So that's the beauty of Goa. You never know what you're going to find. Tourists, of course, everywhere. That is for sure. But yeah, we'll just go and explore a little bit. So I just want you guys to feel like you're walking here on the beach with me, because many of you might not be able to come down to this beach also because of the steep steps there. But I just wanted to show you what it's like here. And as you can see, many tourists are starting to come in now. So I don't know if you can see, but that's it. But it's a beautiful blue sky here. And yeah, so all these people are swimming here. Let me just show you. So everybody is swimming there. The water is so calm and relaxed. I'm so jealous right now. I feel like, just taking off my jacket, and I'm wearing a jacket because it's still pretty cold. So winter is already here, so it's quite cool already. So yeah, guys, I think that is enough for today, because we'll come and do another vlog of that area as well when there is a lot of people. So we'll get a better idea of this place. But yeah, so beautiful here. There's a lot of beautiful restaurants on top over there if you want, as well as hotels. Okay guys, so we are in the Shiva Place shack here, and if you can see, the vibe is so chilled out. I just wanted to show you guys the menu prices, so you guys have an idea of the prices here. The prices are pretty decent, so I'm just going to show you all the prices here, so you can get an idea. If you're coming here, you want to know how much you're going to spend, so you can just pause the video so you get an idea of every price of the menu here. So everything is pretty decent. They're like prices around 250 range, so they're very economical. If you're coming here, I'm sure you'll have a great time. And this is one of the best beaches to chill out, especially because the prices are pretty decent and you're getting a private beach like this. So this is the menu prices of most of the things. I'm not going to tell you guys each price, but let's just move on a little bit here faster and show you the alcohol prices, which is the main things you guys ask for always. So if you see, let me just show you the beer prices here. So this is the beer prices, these are the wine prices, then this is rum, vodka, whatever. So alcohol prices are pretty decent, and the beer prices are starting from only 100 rupees. So yeah, so oh, there's a behind also. So he just told me, okay, this is behind as well. So this is cocktails, this is mocktails, beverages, fresh juices. So you guys have an idea of everything here. So it's always important to know the prices of a place before coming. So this is the shack inside, just to give you guys an idea. So it's very Rasta vibe. It's super nice. You can sit here at this, sit with some of the locals, have a great time. And yeah, so the view also is pretty relaxed and beautiful. So just to give you guys an idea, so this is the view from here, and of course that is the view there. So yeah guys, this was the little Vagator beach here in Goa. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.